Right now, we don't have a bridge. A truck went on it last night and broke it down finally. So we are trapped in. Now the rain is falling and we don't have no way in, no way out. 3 persons was in the truck. They had to rush them to the hospital.
I'm glad that no life was lost and nobody get hurt seriously maybe. But at the same time, I'm still glad that the bridge teared down. Because it was like a trap. Because people disregard the sign and not drive across here. So they have stuff there before, whether you like the sign or not, you couldn't cross because the stuff was there to stop you from taking your chance.
Now that the bridge break down, nobody no come and put nothing. They say it out of use completely. So we need somebody to come put something there. Like if somebody are coming at the night, they're not gonna know say the bridge break down. Because the bypass rain and fall, what if the water come over and them normally just drive on the bridge? So we need somebody to come put something there that we can know say the bridge not in use anymore.
Now anywhere the money come from, it have to go fix. Now we can hear it. We have to go if this is emergency, so if you have money to do something else, you have to go use it. Yes or no, because this is very essential and important because right now the rain will fall and if it come hard with whole heap of debris coming down, we can't pass none at all. Nobody knows.